Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. So as you read in my description, this is going to be a almost half-assed, well not half-assed, but oh my god, did I just say that? Oh. Uh-oh. Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Right, where have I been? Okay, so Saturday I was supposed to do a live and I, honest to God, completely forgot. I believe at 8 o'clock Saturday night, I was in the middle of washing 8 loads of laundry. Saturday morning, I went to the Estee Lauder warehouse sale. I'm going to do another video on that sometime during the week. And I completely forgot. I got home from the sale, and the kids and Ian were on the couch, curtains closed, watching a movie, and I just went, no, this is not happening today. The house is a pigsty. I bet you I got lipstick on my teeth. The house is a pigsty, like we're cleaning. So we got up and everybody had something to do. The kids had to clean their room. Like I really went in and gutted the bedroom. Not just the bedroom, the whole house, like washed bathroom walls. And so that's what I did on Saturday. And it wasn't until 10:30 Saturday night when my husband and I were figuring out the menu for football on Sunday that I went, oh my God, I was supposed to have a live tonight and I completely forgot. Then I went to go make a video on Sunday reviewing the November Boxycharm box. And in the video, you can hear my husband's friends just screaming at the TV in the living room. And I'm like, oh, okay, there's just way too much cussing in this video. So I couldn't upload that. So anyway, we are doing Topbox. I'm terrified lipstick's going to be all over my face. And where have I been? So it's like 6 o'clock Monday night. My husband woke up yesterday morning with chest pains and proceeded to have chest pains all day but would not go to the hospital. So 1 o'clock last night, they got really, really bad. I Ubered him we went together, him and I, to the hospital. We got there around 1:30, I think, in the morning. And we literally got home around 9:30, 10 o'clock this morning from the hospital. So he's fine. It wasn't a heart attack, anything like that. We're not sure if it was acid reflux or they did x-rays. We have to find out the results of that x-ray because the doctor seems to think he might have a touch of pneumonia. So we're waiting for those results to come back, but his chest pain is gone. He's feeling better. And I just want to say a big thank you to all the ladies who send love, prayers, thoughts. Thank you so, so much. I read everything. When I got home from the hospital today, I just went straight to bed. And yeah, so we got Topbox. That's what we're doing. I'm going to open up the mystery box first. So a few weeks ago, Topbox had put out a mystery box. The cost was, I believe, $10 or $11. And I had a $5 off code. I had a lot of them, and they were all going to expire at the end of the year. So I posted it on my Facebook page. So if you got a code, let me know if you were one of the lucky ones who actually got a code and only paid about $7 and change for this box. So this is the mystery box. This is Hey Gorgeous. We hope you enjoy this mystery box filled with some of our best hits of 2019. So the mystery box is always a repeat of what came out in 2019. And again, I'm not unhappy because I paid $7 for this box. So I got the Amika Dry Shampoo, a deluxe size, which I don't use dry shampoo, but my niece does, so she'll love that. I also got, again, and we were all debating on what's going to be in the mystery box. Is it going to be a dry shampoo? Is it going to be the Pretty Woman nail polish? Is it going to be that dew stain? Oh my God, that terrible dew stain. But I haven't seen any of that. Something from Ipsy, a face mask. Anyways, we have the Pretty Woman nail polish, and this is Rose Bay, which I think I got in Luxebox. I've gotten 2 of these in the last 3 months. And it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. One of these I have left for Cynthia. I don't know when I'm going to see you, Cynthia, but it's in my drawer for you. So we got that. It's a beautiful nail polish, though. We also got the Ipsy Stick Crayon in Malt. I'm hoping that I did not receive this one yet, because I think the last one I received was in, oh, girl, you know I'm going to love this shade. The one I got to review was, yeah, that's my shade. Oh my God, that is my shade. The one I got to review recently was in Blossom, I think. And There we go, lipstick. Right, I like it. I like the shade. I'm happy I got the shade I like. Very happy, I like that. And then the last thing in this box was a face mask from Masquerade, the Bubble Bubble Pop. My daughter loves this face mask, so she's going to be so happy. So yeah, we got a face mask, we got a nail polish, we got the deluxe size sample of the Amika dry shampoo, and we also got the Larizzi stick. So that was my mystery box from Topbox. Now, those of you, if you're not aware of Topbox, stick that down there. Topbox is a Canadian company. It's a subscription monthly company. The price is going up in December. So we're going to get charged in 2 days. Everyone remember Topbox, you're getting charged on the 20th of November for your December box. The price is going up to $15. It used to be $12. It's going up to $15. So with taxes, because I'm in Ontario, we have to pay taxes, it's going to cost me about $18 a month. Every month at the end of the month, around the 26th, 27th, we always get a email asking us if we want to either get a regular box, which is 4 items. You don't know if it's going to be full size or deluxe size. There's never any spoilers. Or pick something from a list, which they call the privé list. It's a wish list. You're not guaranteed that if you pick something from that wish list that you're going to get it. There's never a guarantee. And sometimes the stuff on that privé, like I got a NARS concealer before. I got the It Cosmetics CC cream before. So sometimes the stuff on that wish list is really, really good. Sometimes, you know, it's like, okay, 3 face masks and, you know, 3 sample sizes of perfume. But there's usually between 6 to 8 options. So you have a choice. You know, you can select a privé or you can go with the regular box. This month I went with 2 regular boxes. I was going to go with the BioEssence moisturizer that they had for the privé box. I did select it and then I found out it was only like 7 mils, so I went back and I changed it. So I'm not sure if I got the privé after all or a regular box. So I have 2 boxes. I will leave my link down below. I think Christmas is going to be a great month. Usually Christmas is a great month with subscription boxes. So, you know, I don't want to, I'm hoping, let's just say, I'm not going to say I think, I'm hoping it's going to be a great month. But you never know, right? You never know with Topbox. It's always like a box of chocolates. You really don't know what you're going to get. And again, this box cost me about $14 and change. December month is going to cost me around $18 because it went up in price. Some people were upset about it going up in price, but I personally think from what I've seen in the boxes, for me personally, I think it's a great box for what we got for $14. Although the one thing that does upset me about Topbox is that I can get a box and the value could be well over $150, and then, you know, Judy can get a box and her value is only $50. It's always different stuff if you're getting a regular box. Like mine is, which one is this one? This one is box number, where are you? So this is box number 5, but I mean box number 2 could have had a value of $60. That's the one thing, like, I know you're going to send out different stuff in the boxes, and sometimes the boxes go up to like 35. You don't know what number you're going to get, right? But have the value the same for everybody. That's the one thing about Topbox. Have the value the same for everybody, you know, because it's a little bit unfair if, you know, I get a box that's $150 in value and somebody else's box is only $55. Like, that's not fair. We're paying the same money, right? That's the one thing about Topbox. Please have the value the same for everybody. Okay, we're getting into this box. So there was a $10 beauty surprise this month, and this is my beauty surprise. You usually find a sticker on it, and this is the Cora Organics Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask 2-in-1. So this is a $10 surprise. I paid $10 for this, $11 with taxes. And when you get that email around the 26th, 27th, the wish list email, don't close it. When you select if you're either going to get a Pride box or you're sticking with the regular box and you press next, don't shut it down, because if there's an add-on, it will open up to the next page saying, do you want to add the $10 add-on? So that's, a lot of people I know always say it didn't come up for me. No, because you shut it down. Don't shut it down. If there's an add-on, it's going to let you know. So this is Cora. I believe this is quite expensive at Sephora. Somebody let me know in the comments below. If I find out the price of this, I will put it here. Yeah, so a face mask. Love it. Very happy. Very, very happy to get a face mask. Okay, and that is full size. That was $11. So in my box, I have the Verb Ghost Oil. Oh my God, I'm so happy. It's for your hair. I don't know how much this is. I will look it up and see if I can find it and leave the price here. So I have this Verb Ghost Oil 60 ml Smoothing Moringa Blend plus Weightless Hair Oil. I am very happy. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. Trying to read to see what it says. It's a vanishing daily restorative oil that revitalizes hair from roots to ends. And directions. Apply 2 to 3 drops on damp hair for extra heat styling protection or to dry hair for smoothing shine. Very happy. I love hair stuff. Love it. Okay. Next thing in my box, I got a Sephora Hemp Mousse Mask. I don't know if this is for your face. A foamy texture mask that's concentrated in hemp extract of natural origin and works in just 5 minutes. 1. You put it on your face. Okay, so it's a Sephora face mask. That is awesome. My ring light is being brutal right now. That is pretty awesome. Okay, we got something from Sephora. The next thing in here, remember there's always 4 items, is Delia Organics Restore Treatment. And what is this for? A light and quick absorbing facial oil. So it's a facial oil. Didn't we just get a facial oil from these people? So yeah, this is in the box. I know we just got an oil. It's just in a different bottle from the same company. And oh my God, the last thing in my box, and remember I paid $14 for this box, is Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. So it's an exfoliant. My eyes are so bad. Oh my goodness, are they ever? Directions. It doesn't tell me, but I'm opening it up. This is quite the box. Holy cow. I literally paid $14 for this. Uh-oh, I just dropped something. What do you do? Professional grade skincare, daily microfoliant. After cleansing, dispense about a half a teaspoon of daily microfoliant into very wet hands. Create a creamy paste by rubbing hands together. Apply to face in a circular motion. Okay, that's awesome. All right, and I know this is not cheap, so I'm gonna leave the price below. I got lipstick on my teeth, am I? Yeah, I did. See, why do I do it? Why do I put on lipstick? I don't know. Anyways, so for $14, this is what I got, even though it's $12, or it was $12. Taxes for me in Ontario made it $14 and change. Dermalogical exfoliant. I also got a Verb Ghost Oil hair stuff. I got the face oil from Delia Organics. Kind of tired of seeing this stuff in the boxes. And I also got the Sephora Hemp Mousse Mask. $14. That is a great box. All right, so I do have another one. This one is box number 4. I do have a beauty surprise, so obviously I didn't get that privé, which I'm happy about because I went back and I changed it. I just didn't know if they were going to go with the first email I sent or with the second one. So this is box number, what was this? Box number 4. So that box is box number 5. Okay. Let's see what we got in this box. Okay, the beauty, oh, I got 2. I have 2. I know there is a Youth of the People oil as a beauty surprise as well. I haven't seen a different beauty surprise, but what I might do is try to trade it or put it in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I think that's what I might do. I might put it in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which I do have, everybody, a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm almost at 800. When I get to 1,000, that giveaway will be happening. I'll put the video somewhere at the end of my video. If you are new to my channel, if you just popped in, check out that giveaway. There's awesome stuff in it, and there's surprises as well that I have gotten since I've done that video. So this one I'll put in my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Again, it's the Cora stuff. That was my $10 beauty surprise. Oh, God. Then I got this La Roche-Posay, and this is very tiny. What are you? Fluid. A moisturizer, which, you know what? I'm a little bit bummed because last month we got that moisturizer from Bioderma, and mine is all gone, and I freaking love it. So I have to get some. All right, so that's how tiny that is. So that's kind of a bummer. But again, the box was $14. Then we got another one of these. Okay, great box. Maybe I should have went with the Privé. This oil, facial oil. Then I got another one of these Sephora masks, hemp masks. So I don't know. I might trade it. I might put it into the giveaway. And I also got the Marabella Eye Primer, which we just got in a box. Did I get this in my box last month? I got to see if I got this in the same box last month, or was it Luxebox? I can't remember. But if it was the same email and I got this last month in the same box, then I will send in an email and tell them, hey, I already got this. Okay, so that was $12. Okay, this box isn't really, like, that's not really exciting. I've seen other boxes, like I said, where the value is so much better. But my first box, the value was so good. You know, this one is, you know, okay, that's a perfect example of what I'm saying. I wish the value of every box was the same, because I guarantee you this box is not at all compared to the value of my first box. So let me know, what do you think? What did you get? Are you still waiting? Did you get a Pride? Don't forget, in 2 days you will be charged $15 for December box plus taxes wherever you live in Canada, and this box is only for Canadians. The beauty surprise is great. You know, kind of bummed I got two of the same, but one of them go in my giveaway. And again, I haven't seen anything different other than this for a beauty surprise, as well as the Youth to the People facial oil, which I don't use oils on my face, so I, you know, wasn't going to use that anyway. And I haven't seen any other different, look, I'm all like messed up here, beauty surprise. That's it, everybody. I do have an Ipsy bag. It's my niece's Ipsy bag, but she took 2 things out of the bag, and the rest is all mine and my add-ons. I might do a video showing it, or I just might do a try-on with what's on the video. I'm not sure yet. And I'm so sorry again that I totally forgot the live, like totally forgot. But my house is clean, you know. Well, it was on Saturday. It's Monday now, right, kids? You know what I mean? Anyways, let me know. What do you think of these boxes? What did you get? And what do you think about the different value? Because I know the first box is completely so much higher than my second box. Bye. Love you.